Galaxy S4 India launch was a big bang event with all kind of pyrotechnics thrown in. And why wouldn't it be? Samsung is aiming this phone straight to the #1 selling smartphone in the world and wants it to be #1 in India too. But with all the competition present in the market, will it succeed to be the best of the best? We now have the mighty S4 in the Cellguru Labs. Let's put to the test. Samsung hasn't changed the way it thinks a phone should look. The phone sticks to Samsung's basic design ID, which is rather unfortunate. The S4 is a premium high-end smartphone and it's about time it started looking and playing its role. It's still very plasticky, but Samsung has added texture, feels good in the hand, and the plastic makes it super light. Still, the looks leave you a little disappointed. The S4 is thinner and lighter than the S3. It is 7.9 mm thick and weighs only 130 grams. The Galaxy S4 has a 5-inch screen, but somehow Samsung manages to put it into a form factor that makes it feel like you have a 4-inch phone in your hand. 441 ppi density and a full 1920 by 1080 makes this a stunner. Menus, web pages, videos, games and pictures are dazzling bright and pin sharp. The screen is the most dazzling reason to upgrade. The 13-megapixel camera comes with the capability to record 1080-pixel video, and there's also a front-facing camera at 2 megapixel. Not just this, Samsung has thrown in some great features to make it stand out from the rest. There is a dual shot which allows you to use both the front-facing and back-facing cameras simultaneously and creates a picture-in-picture image. Once again, a great feature that really works. The phone runs on the latest Android 4.2 and along with the Galaxy S4 is packed with features. Smart Pause. The S4 will know when you're looking at the phone and will pause a playing video if you look away. Along with Smart Pause, there's also Smart Scroll that allows you to scroll up and down web pages and left to right in a gallery. Taking a few cues from the Galaxy Notes, Air View has been added to the S4 but without the need of a stylus. Hover your finger around the screen and you'll get a preview of an email or a video. Another gesture-based feature is Air Gesture, which allows you to wave your hand up and down to scroll content or answer a call hands-free. S Translate, designed to do translation and works in both text-to-speech and speech-to-text. S Health allows you to connect to accessorize that can keep track of your heart rate, blood pressure and can monitor how much exercise you're getting through the day. Samsung has made every effort to push the boundaries on specifications. S4 features a CPU with 8 processing cores that run at different speeds depending on the task at hand, making the S4 the first octa-core smartphone ever. Along with this, a 2GB RAM completes the high-performance deal. It comes with 2600 mAh of battery and is loaded with all the connectivity options including NFC. The verdict priced at 41,500 rupees and the possible future best buy price of around 39,000 rupees, Samsung has brought its A game to the Indian market. Prepare for blazing sales and huge windfall for Samsung from this one.